추워라. 여러분 저희는 기름 채우러 왔습니다. 아니야.
Hi.
Hi.
I watch your videos all the time.
Oh, you're
Oh
kidding.
really?
No.
What's your name?
David, but I'm sure I recognise that bloody registration. 1012.
Yeah,
Yay.
That's brilliant. Nice to see you.
Yeah.
There's a little camper. Hey, you should have a look.
Yeah,
It's like,
yeah.
It's not exactly what you call big, but then neither am I. Stay there, no, stay there.
Enough room for you and the dog.
Yeah. Tofu, tofu.
His name is Tofu.
This is what I hope to do sometime.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want a picture with the car?
It's great to see you. Nice to
Nice to
really
meet
nice.
you.
I never realised you're so tall.
Yeah, I'm pretty tall.
She's tall, I'm short one. You want to see
Yeah.
inside the van?
Yeah, I'd love to.
A little bit
A
messy.
little bit nasty.
Oh, I don't care.
Yeah.
You know, it's quite funny actually because it looks like a lot smaller.
Yes.
And when you see in the videos, you think like, wow, it's quite big, really. But then I know these are like, is it like the Bongo? No.
Yeah.
So cool, man. So cool.
Since we got in UK and people were recognizing us, actually I was quite shocked. Seriously, you know, like I'm from Korea and then people are from UK. They watch our video. Yeah, it was quite cool. You know, you connect with the people through the online platform, so that's nice. But anyways, we pull over the place right now because we have to find a place where we are gonna stay tonight. Good morning, TV crew. We slept really well. Today we are gonna go to the Edinburgh, and then Edinburgh in Korean. Yeah. Before that, there is a shower, so we're gonna take a shower, and then we are gonna arrive in
Edinburgh.
Yeah, Edinburgh. All right, let's go.
Alright. This is where it got really bumpy yesterday when we got out here.
Oh shit! I didn't tie up the Berkey.
Oh, okay. I always forget something, right?
Oh.
Now let's really go, huh?
Oh.
The sun looks like it's about to set.
항상 그래.
It's only 2 p.m.
가다가 그 하일랜드 카우를 봤습니다. 그래서 지금 돌리려고요. My side is clear. Okay.
Oh, they're so close.
그니까. Oh my god, so close. I cannot believe it. 쟤 내보고 있잖아. 내가 하일랜드 카. 우와. Hi. Oh my god, it's so big.
They're so huge.
Hello. Wow. You're so pretty.
We want some carrots or something, but we don't have any carrots.
I'm sorry, we don't. Oh, we have a carrot.
Oh yeah, we do.
Do you eat this one?
Oh wow.
You like it?
He likes it. Here you go, buddy. Oh, yeah. Can I give you a pet? There you go. Good boy.
Sorry. 미안해. 와, 잘 먹는다.
완전 잘 먹는다. Bye bye.
Bye. It is we saw Highland Cow, not Highland Cow. It's nice to feeding them with a carrot. Anyways, we are gonna go to Edinburgh.
Let's go park back over there.
I can see right there. Guys, I'm back from the shower. Men's shower is a men's bathroom, so we checked it and the woman's shower is empty, so I took a shower first and Mark is taking a shower right now. I'm fresh and clean. And look at that! We bought this cardigan yesterday. Already shop. It's pretty good, huh? Alright, I'm gonna wait until he come back. So your shower was okay?
Good, very good. Hot.
Hi. That's good. Better than cold. Okay, let's go. We are at the kind of shopping complex parking lot because Edinburgh has a parking spot that will be free of charge after 5:30 p.m. on Friday, and the weekend will be free. So we are kind of waiting the time to pass. There's a Boots, which is the how can you say, drugstore kind of thing. We gotta buy cold medicine.
Cough and colds.
아 진짜 이 브랜드밖에 없네.
Yeah. No Theraflu.
Oh.
We just have to get one of these. Give it a try.
It's right now, it's like past 5:30, so we are gonna go to the place we can park. Let's go. Gonna find the parking spot.
I guess we just park anywhere.
자리 있네.
Yeah, there's
괜찮다.
no place. You go closer to the police station or?
Good morning, TV crew. We slept well, and I think I like this place right in front of police stations. TV's over there. We parked it, and yeah, today's Saturday. We are gonna walk around the town. It would take 35 minutes to get there by walk. So yeah, let's go toward the Edinburgh.
Yeah, the
Firewood. Yeah. 영국 배는 다 그런 것 같아. 좀 있는 것 같아 저런 게.
yeah.
First time to be in the lowland, Scotland, because we skipped because of the cold season.
Yeah. Good thing we did.
Yeah. 어디로 가?
It must be really kind of annoying to live in this neighborhood because they have this cobblestone road and wow, it's loud.
Guys, I think I said we're gonna go to Edinburgh Farmers Market. If you guys follow us for a long time, I think you guys know that I love market. We found that this market we are heading, they open on new Saturday, and we checked that they have great food too. So if there is like something, we are gonna try. Yeah, Edinburgh is really, really pretty and stunning. All right, let's go.
It's quite interesting. You have the houses here, and then you have houses down here. They even have their own little courtyard. But it's kind of cool that they have their own little sun courtyard and everything, huh?
St. Mary Cathedral, it says. It's really pretty, huh? We are heading to the farmers market. We got distracted a lot today. So many things that catch your eyes. Guys, there is the castle, and I watched through the Netflix. Yeah, it's quite interesting. They have a, how can I say, cannon? They still use it for the time. And I heard that it's pretty nice to see it, you know. Guys, I can see farmers market. It's so busy. Alright, let's see what they have it. 이거 토마토인가 알아? Scottish.
Oh wow!
That's interesting, huh?
They look like gooseberries. This is that.
This is black pudding.
Black pudding. Try this one.
What is that?
It's like a black pudding.
Like a black pudding.
Yeah, so it's caramelized onions, red wine, garlic, and then we use a dry blood to cure.
이거 엄청 맛있다.
That's good, isn't it?
I tried the black one. It's so good. It's like amazing. We are gonna buy it.
That could be the best sausage ever.
Yeah, it's so
lovely, isn't
good.
it?
Alright,
Wonderful.
okay.
There we go. Oh,
Thank you.
lovely. I'll get you some change and
Alright.
$14.50 change.
Okay.
Awesome. Thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely day.
So much food here.
Oh, hey.
Tablet.
This is tablet. Homemade.
Oh, can I try one?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Why not?
It's like a street food market.
Oh, no, I like it.
Our dream
Just be
come true.
careful.
Sorry, I'm
Oh,
sorry.
sorry about that. They have so many kind of like venison stuff, right? Like this is venison black pudding. They have a smoked fish here too, like kind of dried smoked fish. Oh, the whole pig. Oh, pulled pork. Oh wow.
my God.
Can I see this real quick? Wow.
Hi, can I order one pulled pork?
Yeah, Bramley apple's good. In
Good?
Scotland, at home I would always have apple.
Okay, I'm gonna. Really? Okay. I trust you guys. So are you from here?
No, I'm here for school.
Ah, okay.
I'm from New York.
Because we travel with our van. So we drove from Korea.
Wow, you drove from Korea.
Yeah, so we parked in front of the police station here. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.
All right. Good.
Apple is like your style. It's really sour.
We can have barbecue pork anywhere. Like this style. I think it's the only place we can experience
Yeah.
it.
And we're gonna go to the other market, grass market.
That's so pretty. I think this area is just overall a more popular area.
Yeah.
More of right in the tourist area.
Yeah. Actually, like to be honest with you, I like the other farmers market.
Yeah, as a
'Cause
market,
yeah.
it's more laid back.
Yeah, right. People are just like friendly and say hello and like, yeah, you can have a taste, like. But here's I didn't say it.
Yeah, it's really pretty straight, huh?
여기 되게 이쁘네. 여기 너무 이쁘다. 언니야, 진짜 너무 이쁘잖아. 와.
This is some kind of Harry Potter geek store.
Because I'm the
You're a
otaku.
Harry Potter geek.
Diagonally.
Wow. This is
이렇게.
the most crowded store we've ever been in.
Oh.
I think the top floor is probably the best part, but we just can't take it anymore. It's so hot in there and crowded.
언니야, I can hear bagpipe.
Yeah, I can hear it too.
It's playing. I heard a bagpipe way far away, and then we ran to here, and then we just listened to the music. It's just amazing. It's quite hard to hear that bagpipe. So, but it's like we're lucky to listening it. All right, should we just look and walk around?
There's still a lot to see.
Yeah. This is the cathedral too. Look at that top. That's so nice. We didn't research that much. I tried it, but I decided not to because it's a big town. It's like walking around and wander around and find something interesting and jump in, right?
Yeah, every block there's something interesting.
Yeah. 여기 이름이 Marketers Market, right? 여기 괜찮다. 여기 상당히 조용한 것 같아요.
Yeah. It's like an art place, huh? So there's an old church, and now it's a Frankenstein bar.
해리포터 쓴 조엘 롤링 작가가 자주 갔던 커피숍이야.
Oh, really? This is the old church here, and there's so many tourists here. And you were saying about that.
I'm guesstimating because I read something on the book or documentary. So the Harry Potter author, like Joanne Rowling, she comes to here and then get the inspiration about the character's name. I think that's what I heard, but I'm not sure because I read it some place.
Well, I think you might be right because there's so many tourists. Oh, here's Grace. Wasn't that girl's name Grace? There's like Harry Potter, and he had that girlfriend.
I'm so offended right now.
What?
Hermione.
Oh yeah, right. Hermione. 1872. Like people are throwing sticks over there.
Because like dogs love the sticks, right?
Yeah. I was like they're about to close the church. We found pretty much everything, right? Anyways, we're back.
Wow, it's a lot of walking today.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So today is like quite sunny weather, and we saw a lot of people walking today because it's sunny, like it's rare to see the sun. We are gonna explore like Newtown. Guys, we are in Newtown. Newtown built at like 18th centuries.
We heard the name Newtown, we thought it was like really a new town, but it's over 300 years old.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like every one of these blocks in Newtown, they have a little small circle in between. Rose Street was designed in 1767. Seriously, their Newtown is almost the same age as America, right?
I think this place is really perfect for nighttime. Yesterday when we went back home to Tubi and we saw a little bit glimpse of this place, it looks pretty at night, so I think it's nightlife for sure.
Sunday was every Sunday from 12 p.m.
Pudding gravy beef.
That looks pretty good, huh? It doesn't look so busy from out here. Wow.
Through the window, I didn't see any people that much, but that one is a lot of.
Yeah. Do you want to sit down for a mulled wine or?
Oh yeah. Everyone is drinking daytime stuff.
Mulled wine. Cheers.
Cheers. So we are gonna head to the like a market,
Bullshit
mall.
market.
Today is kind of like wandering around the town.
The heck?
Wow, that's really pretty. Wow. Wow.
Waverly Market?
That makes sense.
Yeah, kinda, huh?
Yeah. Sweet sour chicken and the barbecue chicken. We ordered a snack, right?
Yeah, the restaurants are so busy right now, so we got kind of too big of a snack. It's huge.
Yeah.
4 different kinds of chicken.
And have a rice.
Mm.
Guys, nighttime is really different. You can see the light is slowly coming up and the busking too. Guys, we're gonna go to the Carlton Hill because we heard that I have a good view through the Edinburgh. 칼튼 스텝을 올라갑니다. 지금 여러분 여기가 4시 반밖에 안 됐어요. 근데 이렇게 어둡습니다. This night view of the Edinburgh. Nighttime in Carlton Hill is really pretty. I'm gonna show you here. There's a view. Night view is really stunning. And then I can see a little bit of fireworks over there. There too. Oh yeah, thank you. We are gonna go down. It's quite dark here. You guys cannot see us. Watch our step.
Now you can see us.
Alright, let's go down. We are heading to the Edinburgh castle. Nighttime, like really, really different. It is like beautiful. Yesterday, this bus is parked there, but oh my god, look at the ghost bus. I love it. I love ghost stories. As soon as I wake up, I watch the ghost one, right? Guys, look at that! Look at the castle! Please look at it! Don't blink your eyes! A night view. Wow! Edinburgh Castle has a lot of cannons. I think there's holes in the I don't know, you can see it's quite nighttime. There's canyons all over. The king loved to collect it. Guys, we are heading back to Tubi. We searched that like where we can see the fireworks better. Actually, funny thing is, on the way back to home, this street you can spot the fireworks better. And it is, we found the fireworks. Good spot. Oh, that's it. Welcome home. 15도다.
15도, not bad.
어제보다 낫다. 어제 13도였는데.
Yeah.
Okay, welcome home. Home sweet home. I gotta put my shoes